True. I can't top it, and I'm not a winner like that, not at all. Good morning, everybody. This morning, well, it's mixed fortunes with the weather. It's a mild start in the south. It's cooler as we push further north. And actually, as we go through this week, what you will notice is the temperature is going to slip a bit. It's also going to be blustery for the rest of the week. Rain at times, especially so in the north and also the west. We've got some rain coming into the northwest at the moment. You can see it just fringing past Northern Ireland, getting into the Outer Hebrides. And we've got some drizzly bits and pieces across the southwest of England and the Channel Islands. There's also some mist and fog around this morning too. Low pressures coming in from the Atlantic. Just look at those isobars. They're like guitar strings. It is going to be wet and windy, especially in the north and west today. In the south, we've got the remnants of yesterday's front, still producing some cloud and some drizzle. That will move a little bit further north through the day, and it will be humid and the other side of it in the southeast. Whereas as we move further north into Scotland and Northern Ireland, we're looking at some showers. Some will be heavy and thundery, gusty winds touching gale force at times in the Western Isles. But eastern Scotland, much of England and Wales staying dry. Don't forget this line of cloud, which should break up. We should see some brightness coming through it through the course of the afternoon. Temperatures 14 to 23 degrees, possibly a little bit higher than that in the south, if the cloud breaks soon enough and we have more sunshine. Now, through this evening and overnight, we still will have the remnants of the front across parts of England and Wales. Still some showers coming in across Northern Ireland and Scotland, and also some windy conditions. Not a cold night, though, not as cold in the north tonight as it was last night. Temperatures in double figures, more or less, across the board. So into Friday, while we still have our weather front in the south, it's still producing some cloud, the odd spot of rain, particularly in its western flank. But having said that, it should break up in other parts and some sunshine could come through. Now, for much of England, Wales, even Northern Ireland and Scotland, we will see some brightness or some sunshine, but still those showers peppering the far north, and a brisk windy day during the course of Friday, not just in the north, but really wherever you are. And temperatures starting to slip. We're looking at maximums 21, maybe 22. Then we run into some uncertainty in the forecast, and that's because we've got an area of low pressure developing in the southwest Atlantic, and it looks at the moment like it's going to bring in cloud and some rain sweeping northwards across England and Wales, but this could change. So if you're making plans for the weekend, do bear that in mind. Whereas for Northern Ireland, the far north of England and Scotland, it looks like you'll have something drier with some sunshine and just a few showers. Temperatures ranging from 14 in Lerwick to 18 in Newcastle to highs of 22 in London. And of course, what happens on Saturday will have a bearing on what happens on Sunday, but at the moment it's looking like sunshine and showers. Headlines are next.
It could be another season to savour.
Every game